Hi everyone. In this session, we will see like how to create a TMG. TMG is nothing but a table maintenance generator. So in the previous class, we have seen that so we have created one table and we are maintaining some entries in this particular table, right? So we are maintaining some entries here. Like if you see the settings, if you see the settings, no display maintenance allowed, these options we have seen in the last class, right? So now I want to maintain some entries in this particular table. So in that case, go to this table maintenance generator and create entries. Okay, sometimes we don't have access, actually we don't have access to change the entries and all, so that is fine. But how to maintain the entries, in this particular table? So that is the question. Like in the previous session we have seen in the debugging mode that in the debug mode we have maintained some entries and we have edited some entries and we have deleted some entries and all. So now my requirement is, now today's agenda for this class is that I want to upload more. I want to upload, or I want to create more than 1000 in a custom table. Is it possible? So basically what we are doing in previous session, go to S11, give the table name and then go to utilities, and what we are giving table entries, and then create entries. This we are doing, and we are giving one by one records. First record we are giving the name customer number as 1001 and customer name as Jack, and country as USA, and date is date we are given, right? So like this we are creating entries. So if suppose I have 1000 records, so for how many times I need to execute this action, like I need to execute 1000 times. Is it time consuming or not? So it's a very time consuming. For creating these entries, 1000 entries, it is very time consuming. So we need to overcome this one. So for that we have a concept called TMG. So TMG is nothing but table maintenance generator. Table maintenance generator. Table maintenance generator. Okay, so the transaction code for this one is SM30. SM30 is the transaction code. TMG, table maintenance generator, transaction code SM30, right? So SM30 is the transaction code. So let's open the table. So I have this table, right? So I have created yeah, I have an Excel sheet. Excel sheet contains all this information: customer number, customer name, country, created on, created by. So I need all this information should be created as an entry in the Z table or a custom table. So what I need to do, so I need to create a TMG for this. Okay, so I have an Excel sheet. So in this Excel sheet I have almost 10 column 10 records are available, 10 rows are available. So I'm just creating an example, I'm just creating 10 records, but in the real time, like, we will get more than 1000 records or something like that. So in that case, for creating a record in a table, for each and every line, it is not possible. So for that, we are going to create a TMG, and that TMG will be created in the transaction code as SM30. So this is the base for this. So if you see here, the created on, created by is also, created by is the new field, and it to be added in the Z table. I need to be added in the Z table. So I'm not giving the date here. Date should be created automatically, and the created by is nothing but the username should be created automatically. So how it will be created automatically? While creating an entry in the table, that I will discuss in the next session. In the TMG part 2, I will discuss that. For as of now, I need to upload these records in a Z table. So for that, what I need to do is I need to create a TMG for this. Okay, so now I'm going to the SAP system again. Yeah, so this is the table name, and what are the fields are available here? Created on, created by, created underscore by. This field is not available, so I'm giving this one. And just giving the uname as the data element for this. So this is an standard one. So yeah, I'm just activated this one. So this is activated. So if you see here, name is characteristic, country is characteristics, date is dates, and created by is also characteristic. But this is a customer number, right? This is a customer number. Customer number should be a numeric digit, but we are giving char 25, so that is a mistake. So we need to change that one to numeric. So we'll just go to customer number, and we have given char here in the domain level, so we need to change that to numeric value. So what options are available here? We have char, currency, decimal also there, decimal, packed value, integer, numc. So we need to give numc, and the number would be whatever the number we want, we can give. Char 10, numc 10 I'm giving. I'm just activating. So system is asking, you are changing the data type, is it okay for you to continue? Yes, I will continue this one. Go back to the table, and then we have an option called database object, and then check the database utility. Okay, once you come down here and then adjust and activate and adjust the database table. Okay, it will be adjusted automatically. Whenever changes we have done in a table level, now we need to come here and activate it, so that it will not be any problem. So this is active, and this is partial active. Now this is active, right? So come down to the domain again, and then change activate the domain value, and the data element is also active, and now table is also active, right? Okay. Now my table contains customer number, name, country, created on, created. I just want to create a TMG for this. So I want to create a new TMG for this table. So how to create the TMG, I will explain you in the next session. Thank you very much for your cooperation, and please be available and active in this YouTube channel for more informative information. Thank you.